Oh. Yeah. What is happening, guys? It's your boy Stack abroad. How is everyone doing? I miss you so much. I haven't been online for like what, 2-3 weeks? Just because of all these things happening in the world right now about this virus. I don't want to say, I don't want to mention it, any of it. Like, it's bullcrap. You know, humanity is stronger. The earth will restore. Everything will be back to normal. I'm optimistic about that it will be like just like before, you know. I can't even get a fade. But anyway, today we're gonna do a bit of cooking. I wake up and I was craving for seafood. I got some seafood stuff in the fridge, so I might as well just cook it. And I'm gonna do a seafood boil, my own take, alright? Cooked it with the Cajun spices. So I'm gonna do that. Seafood boil, Cajun spice, my own take, my own version. Let's go to the kitchen. Alright, I got my ingredients. I got some leftover squid wings. I got mussels, wow, prawn balls, some smoked sausage, and I got prawns, and I got lemons, spring onions, alright? Onions and garlic, just roughly chopped it. This. Ooh. Quick and easy, seafood boil. Ooh. Pepper and salt. Oh, I don't have salt. Cajun seasoning right here. Yep. 2 spoons. Garlic granules. 1 spoon. Alright. Now I'm gonna dump all my seafoods here. Then I will make my own spice. The seasoning Cajun spice with butter, lemon. Damn lemons. Okay. Right. Keep that in there. Potatoes, the small ones. Small potato, small potato. I'm gonna cut it in half. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Put it here. It's my potatoes. I'm gonna dunk it in water. Since probably take a bit longer to cook than the rest of the seafood. Mussels, haven't had mussels for the longest time. See? Green mussels from New Zealand. They're frozen, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna boil it anyway. This one, I bought it fresh the other day, but I wasn't sure what I'm gonna do with it, so I put it back in the freezer. But I'm gonna cook it. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna boil it anyway. I forgot to show you this. Blue swimmers crabs. I bought this yesterday as well. Now I'm gonna do. They still smell like the ocean. I'm gonna cut it in half. Just like that. Cut it in half. Goodie. Cut. Oh. How about I dunk this just like that? Oh. Ooh. Cooking them first. Double smoked sausage. Woo! The prawns. Prawns is in. Okay. Now I'm gonna put the mussels, the tahong. By the way, I took out some water in there because it's too full already. I haven't put my crabs yet. It's the mussels. I'm gonna do a bit of backup since my pot is full already. I'm gonna transfer some broth here in another pot so I can cook my crabs. squid rings. Ooh. Ooh. Fresh corn. Smells good. Dunk it here. And that will be our veg. Put my crabs here. Put in a different pot since all my pot's full. Smell good. Oh, nice. Nice. Color. Nice. Nice. That's it. I'm gonna try to take the cooked ones now. I think the prawns are cooked. It looks cooked. I'll check the mussels. Yeah, the mussels cooked as well. Prawns cooked and the squid rings as well. Yes, sir. Crabs are cooked, perfectly cooked. It's still resting. Okay, ready. I got the sausage, the mussels, the prawns, the squid rings. Yeah, all ready. Look at that. Can't wait to eat. Cajun sauce. I'm gonna start with butter. Shitloads of butter. Shitloads. If I can open this. Right, I'm gonna need a lot of it. A lot. Like shitloads. A lot. That. See, that's enough. A lot of butter. Okay, we'll put in medium heat. Fresh garlic, fresh onions. Yeah, boy. Spring onions. Smells good. It's a lot of butter in there, man. I didn't boil this because this is cooked already. So I'm just gonna dump it straight to the pot. Just like that. Pepper. Garlic granules. Maybe like 2 spoonfuls. Silver swan, Philippine soy. Just a little bit to add like a saltiness to it. Now the main ingredient, the Cajun seasoning. Yeah? Let's see. 3 spoons. Cajun. How do you say it? Cajun or Cajun? 3 spoons will do. We'll just adjust it later on if it's not enough. Brown sugar. I'll make that 3. 3 spoons of brown sugar. Cold crabs, all in. Make sure it's coated with a sauce. Ooh. Seafoods. Yeah. Yeah, sticking. Woo! That's the hardest part there. Just gonna make sure everything is coated. All the seafoods are coated, and then I'll get back to you when it's ready. Okay, now I am back. All right, it is ready. It is cooked, and what are we gonna do now? Eat. The best part of it. Eat. So I'm gonna use my very own banana leaves. All right, I'm gonna dump it all here. All my seafood. All right, you ready? Far out, this is heavy. Ready? Dump it, baby. Oh. Yeah! Look at that, look at that, look. Voila! Look at that. Look at that. Will you look at that? Taste test. My favorite part. I don't know where we're gonna start first. Alright, we're gonna start with the little one. That's the potatoes. Mmm. Yum. Lemons. Lemons. This one here, I'm gonna dunk it to the sauce. There's a lot of sauce here. That's the prawn balls. That's nice. This is the smoked sausage, double smoked. Yum. Corn. Yum. Corn is nice. This one. Squid rings. Squid rings. Mmm. Nice, nice, nice. Favorite mussels or tahong? Tahong ni Carla. There you go. Tahong is stuck, man. See? Mmm. Yum. Haven't had tahong for a while. This one's nice. Right, the prawns. They're banana prawns. They're fresh. Suck the head, mate. That's where the flavor is. There you go. Prawns. Put it, dunk it in the sauce. Cajun sauce. Mmm. Yum. I think I've tried everything. Just this one. The sun crabs. Mmm. Yum. I'll take out the lady fingers. They call this the lady fingers, this one here. Or the gills. I don't know what you call it. But it's not really good to eat. I don't think you can eat it anyway. Still a bit of meat there. Yummy. The smoked sausage. I'm gonna dunk it with the sauce here. There you go. See that? Suck the head, mate. That's where the flavor is. Prawns. As much as I want to finish all of this, I can't do that. I got a whole pack waiting to eat. And you probably don't want to see that because we're just gonna demolish it straight up. If you are still here, thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. Haven't been on YouTube for a while, but I'm glad I'm back. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Help me grow my channel. And this time, just be safe, stay at home. Nothing else to do outside, just stay at home and yeah, be safe. Thank you for watching. You far too kind. Peace out.